Hi, here we are at Wheels Motorcycles and just took in another quality used machine. Lovely little Vespa GTS 300 Super in the white. It's got a few little corrosion, a few little marks. See a little mark down here. A little mark on the graphic there. We've got the extra 300cc graphics on there, which is quite a nice addition. Don't get many of the Vespas in, I must admit, so it's got the extra graphic kit on the front as well, which just makes it stand out from the crowd a little bit. Only running just over 4,000 from new, and again a couple of little marks down this side here on this little panel here. Just pop over and start the machine so you can hear her running. There you go. Give us a call and we can discuss a bit more detail with you. Also fitted with the fly screen on the front there, as you can